Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Hornbills, Buceratidae, are a family of bird found in tropical and subtropical Africa, Asia and Melanesia. They are characterized by a long, down-curved bill which is frequently brightly colored and sometimes has a casque on the upper mandible.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Puffin, also called bottlenose, or sea parrot. Any of 3 species of diving birds that belong to the auk family, Alcidae, order Charadriiformes. They are distinguished by their large, brightly colored, triangular beaks.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Sword-billed hummingbirds. The sword-billed hummingbird's beak is remarkable because it is longer than the rest of its body. The extraordinary length of the hummingbird's beak and tongue are adaptations to feeding on nectar from flowers that have long petals, such as species of passion flower.
Let's help you make your mark.
The term toucan, derived from tucano, a native Brazilian term for the bird, is used in the common name of about 15 species, Rhamphastos and Andagina, and the arisaries and toucanettes are very similar smaller birds of the same family that are also considered toucans, bringing the total number of species to about 35.
Let's help you make your mark.
Keel-billed toucan. They are also known as rainbow-billed toucan by many people. This bird is really very colorful and native to South America. Their beak is almost a third of their body size, which can measure 43 to 60 inches.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.